Hi guys, welcome to Maharashtra Law City 3 years 2020 online preparation last batch. So as we all know, exam date extended and which is finalized 6th of August. So 6th of August को आपका exam रहेगा. And we have received many requests regarding the online preparation batch. That is why we have launched one more last batch for Maharashtra Law City 3 year student, which is starting from mid of June guys. So those who are still not confident about their preparation and also not started their preparation, they can join this batch. Kindly contact on this number guys, or else you can visit to menuedu.com website. Further, I'll be guiding you how to join this batch. So after extending your exam date, which is nothing but 6th of August, people come up with these two mindset guys. One is what people is happy because they got more time their preparation, because they were not confident about their preparation and they were thinking अभी last moment है तो जैसा भी preparation हुआ है let's go for it. So those who are with this mindset, they are happy because they got more time for their preparation. Second, people are worried because they have prepared for the exam and they are waiting कि जल्दी से exam खत्म हो क्योंकि मैंने preparation कर लिया है. So they are worried because same चीज़ वापस पढ़नी है. Because of that they are feeling lazy and getting boredom also. So guys, those who are with this mindset, to all of them I would advise, do start writing the mock test guys and analyze your mock test. After looking your mock test score guys, all this worriedness will go out and you will charge up and you will start preparing the topic where you are lacking and not scoring good marks. So all law aspirants, those who want to be a good lawyer, to all of them I always recommend target for the top law colleges for your law program. So as your exam got extended guys, you got more time for the preparation. This is what the kind of opportunity which is knocking your door, to grab the opportunity and prepare well so that you end up with the top law colleges guys. Okay, next is what the information about your online preparation batch guys, which is starting from mid of June. So this is what the courseware which you will be getting in your online preparation: handouts, mock series, 10 section, 10 full length, approximate 2000 question you will be practicing in this mock, 30 hours live session, 50 hours plus pre-recorded class and doubt session. So lecture will be combination of live plus pre-recorded guys. All the mentorship will be taken care. Syllabus will be taught you English, logic, general awareness, legal aptitude. Major focus will be on GK because this is the area where people don't score good marks. After the reading comprehension and puzzle part, which is nothing but your arrangement. And after the result guys, we'll guide you about the CAP process. And very important guys, if you have joined any coaching institute, so be connected with that institute guys, because वही institute आपको help करेगा CAP round में, because CAP round process काफ़ी tedious होता है CT cell का. Fine guys, so this is what the course curriculum of your online batch, which is starting from June. Next, those who are targeting for the GLC Mumbai, this is what your career and your life in the GLC Mumbai guys, which is nothing but the Asia's top colleges for the law program, more than 150 years old. Second top college, ILS Pune. So those who are targeting for the ILS Pune, this is what your career and life in the ILS Pune guys. And as I keep on saying all the time in my all video, you have to target 120 marks out of 150 guys if you want to end up with the GLC Mumbai or the ILS Pune or any other law colleges. So your target should always be high, then only you will be near to your target guys. Fine, now let me take you through the official website of Meneuer and guide you how to join this online live classes batch, which is starting from mid of June. So guys, you have to open Google and type MENOEUVRE menueredu.com. This is what the website is. After then just click on the home page of Meneuer. This is how the website will open guys. Just go to the buy online law entrance. After then just scroll down and just go to the full course and then go to the in the last guys. In the last, if you will go, you will find MH Law 3 years crash course online classes, which is starting from mid of June. So from here you can do add to card and fill your details and complete the payment process, and after then you will be successfully registered for this live session program. And after then further detail will be shared you by the online team. So guys, exam date extended till 6th of August. Do take the advantage of this time. Don't be relaxed and waste your time guys. And one more thing guys, this year number of applicants gone down, so the competition is also less guys. Do take the advantage of this fair chance. So kickstart your preparation guys, and those who want to join this batch, kindly contact to this number, and the link also I have given in the description, so do check the description. For any query and doubt, please post in the comment box. I'll be happy to reply you guys. All the very best. Thank you.